My dear students, welcome to my online video tutorial class. As you have seen already, our first topic is electric current. Today we will discuss about electric current. At first, we have to know what is electric current. Actually, what is electric current? Electric current. Electric current. If there is potential difference between two bodies, the positive charge flows from higher potential to lower potential body, or negative charge flows from lower potential to higher potential body. This flow of charge is called current electricity, or in brief, electricity. Generally, the flow of current means flow of electrons. We have seen what is electric current. Suppose this is a body, this body is A, and another body, suppose this body is B. These two body, now these two body are neutral body. Suppose body A is positively charged and body B is neutral. Therefore, its potential is positive and its potential is 0. As its potential is positive, it is a higher potential and its potential is 0, therefore it is lower potential. Now there is a potential difference between this body A and this body B. Therefore, the positive charge will be flow from A body to B body when these two body is connected by a metallic wire or conductor wire. Now the positive charge from A body to B body will flow, that is, positive charge is flowing from higher potential to lower potential body, and when this positive charge will flow from A body to B body, the positive charge of body A will be decreased and the positive charge of B body will be increased. And at a certain time, these two body will have the same potential. When these two body will have same potential, then there will be no flow of charge from A to B or B to A body. That is, there is no potential difference, there is no flow of charge. Suppose this body A is negatively charged and the body B is neutral. Now, as it is a neutral body, its potential is 0 and it's a negative body, negatively charged body, therefore its potential is negative. As its potential is negative and its potential is 0, therefore it is a higher potential body and it's a lower potential body. Now the negative charge will flow from A body to B body, that is, negative charge is flowing from lower potential body to higher potential body. When the potential of these two body will be same, that is, there is no potential difference. There is no potential difference between body A and body B. There will be no flow of negative charge from body A to body B. That is, when there is no potential difference, there is no flow of charge, any type of charge. It is positive charge or maybe negative charge. There is no potential difference, there is no flow of charge. If you want a continuous flow of charge, then we have to maintain a potential difference between two bodies, otherwise the flow of charge will not be continued. And when the charge is flowing from one body to another body, at a certain time the two bodies potential will be same and there will be no potential difference. To maintain this potential difference, a special arrangement or a special technique is needed, and this special technique is maintained by a external electric source, that is, it may be battery or generator. When the battery is connected between two bodies, then a continuous flow of current will be obtained, because the external battery will act as a source of electric current, and this battery will maintain a potential difference. When the potential difference will be maintained, then the flow of current will be continued, and by this battery or electric generator the electric current will be continued. So how this electric current is continued with the help of battery? Inside the battery, when charge start to flow, that is, there will be a chemical reaction, and when charge is produced, then the chemical substance of the battery will be decreased, and at a time all the chemical substance will be finished and will not get any electric current from that battery. To maintain the flow of current, we need battery or generator, and there is a term in case of battery or generator is electromotive force. Electromotive force, in short, it is written as EMF. Okay, now what is EMF? What is EMF? Electromotive force: the amount of work done to transfer a unit charge from lower potential to higher potential in a battery is called electromotive force or EMF of that battery. If W amount of work is done to transfer Q charge from lower potential to higher potential in a battery, electromotive force or EMF of that battery is EMF is equal to W divided by Q volt. The Bengali of EMF electromotive force is তড়িৎ চালক শক্তি। That is energy, but electromotive force, it is not a force or it's not a energy. Actually, electromotive force is a special kind of potential difference which will continue the flow of charge. Electromotive force is neither a force or energy. Actually, it is potential difference. Suppose a battery, potential negative. When there is no flow of current, that is, the circuit is open, electric cell, there is no flow of current, then the potential difference between the positive terminal and negative terminal of a battery is electromotive force of that battery. Generally, we use Russell battery. The EMF of that battery is 1.5 volt, and due to this EMF electromotive force, the flow of charge will be continued in a circuit. We may use battery or generator to continue the flow of current in a circuit. Now, suppose potential difference of the two terminals of a battery is 1.5 volt. Potential difference between two terminals of a battery is 1.5 volts. That is, its positive terminal is equal to 1.5 volt and negative terminal is 0 volt. That is, difference 1.5 minus 0 is equal to 1.5 volt. Potential difference is 1.5 volt. Its positive terminal may be plus 1.5 volt and negative terminal is 0 volt. Suppose its positive terminal is at 0 volt. Positive terminal is 0 volt and negative terminal is minus 1.5 volt. Then what is the potential difference between two terminals of the battery or electric cell? 0 minus 0 minus minus 1.5 volt. This is equal to 1.5 volt. We can write it. Suppose it's a cell. This terminal is at 1.5 volt plus 1.5 volt and this terminal is at 0 volt and difference is 1.5 volt. And suppose the negative terminal is at minus 1.5 volt and positive terminal is 0 volt. Then the potential difference between two terminal is 1.5 volt and here also potential difference between two terminal is 1.5 volt. Therefore, if the potential difference between two terminals of a battery is 1.5 volt, its positive terminal may be 0 volt or its negative terminal is 0 volt. When the positive terminal is 0 volt, then the negative terminal will be minus 1.5 volt. But when the positive terminal is at 1.5 volt, then its negative terminal is at 0 volt.